Hello and welcome to Avtaars world, and I hope you're having a nice day. The recipe today is going to be tandoori chicken, which is an all-time favorite in our family. The word tandoori comes from tandoor, which in other words means clay oven. There are hundreds of recipes around, and it will make your all-time favorite recipe. So you will be able to cook tandoori chicken at home with minimum effort and to have that maximum taste. For a kilo of chicken drumsticks that I have de-skinned and I have dry pat them, 1 teaspoon of salt, less than 1 teaspoon of the garam masala, only half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, and this here is paprika. Now this will give you that nice, lovely, vibrant red color. I'm not using turmeric. Now turmeric gives you nice, lovely yellow color, but when you put it together with these ingredients onto the chicken, it actually gives you that bittery taste as well. Again, depending on how hot you want, you can actually use the green chili proportion accordingly. I've taken 2 cloves of garlic here, and I've taken that much ginger. I've peeled it. Combined with the garam masala, and ginger is going to give you the heat. Yogurt is the usual marinade. My secret ingredient is a tablespoon of double cream. So this is what's going to give the chicken that lovely coating of the fat, because drumsticks, they're quite lean, so that it doesn't get dried. You want it to come out juicy and succulent. Another one of my secret ingredient is fresh mint. I'm not going to use a lot, only a tiny little bit. It will actually release lots of flavors and aroma into the marinade. I've blitzed all the ingredients together, and now I have my marinade ready. I'll put some slits into the chicken drumsticks onto the fleshy part. So what I tend to go do is use a spoon first to make sure I'm putting a dollop into every slit part. So once that is done, putting the coating of the marinade on all of the pieces. And so now I'm going to leave these to marinate for at least half an hour. It's ready to go into the oven. When putting them onto the tray, make sure you're not overcrowding, because as soon as the chicken goes into the heat, it's going to release the moist, and you do not want a lot of that floating in the tray. And that's another reason why I'm using a flatter tray. So it goes into the oven on a high heat. The chicken has been cooking for roughly 15 minutes now, and I've taken it out. Turn it upside down so that it gets cooked evenly, and as you can see, there's just enough juices in there for the rest of the cooking process. Chicken has been cooking for another 10 minutes. The juice is all separating out. You can tell it's falling off the bone. It's ready. The beautiful aromas of all the ingredients have come out together, and is ready to be served. Tandoori chicken, different style with authentic taste. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. God bless.